This is a short tutorial explaining how to make a journal entry within Blackboard. Blackboard has special characters or images that let you know that it is a journal entry that you'll be constructing. If you look at the screen here, you'll notice that there is an image of a book or a journal, and the title obviously indicates that it's a journal response that's required. What you need to do is click on the actual title where it's underlined, and it will open up to a screen that will allow you to compose your journal entry. The prompt that you need to think about is here on this screen, but your actual writing will be once you click on the title and it opens up into a new screen. Once you click on the title, it will open up into a screen that looks something like this. You'll notice in the top left hand corner there's a button or tab called Create Journal Entry. You'll need to click that to get to the next step in the process. It will open up into a different looking screen after that. You'll notice on the right hand side that there is information about your grade and possible comments or notes from your teacher. There's nothing there right now because there isn't a journal entry that's been created for me to mark, but it's on that screen on that side that you'll be able to see your mark and comments from me later once you submit it. Once you get to this screen, this is where you can actually type in your response to the journal prompt. Notice that the asterisks, the orange asterisk spaces, are required, so you do need a title of some kind for your journal entry. You can type right into the entry message text box right there, and you'll notice that you can change the font size and color and style if you want. You can highlight, you can use bullets, all the things that you would do in a normal word processor you can do right there. You can also insert pictures if you wish, anything at all that you want to add to your journal entry. Underneath it, you'll notice a space called Journal Entry Files. If you prefer to type or handwrite your journal entries and save those as a Word or a PDF document, you can do that, and then you can attach the file for your journal entry right here, just as you would if you're sending an email or as you do to submit assignments to the Dropbox. So you can find them on your computer, browse your computer, and attach them that way if you don't want to type them into the already created box here. When you're finished either typing it up or attaching the file, you can do two things. You can save the entry as a draft. Let's say you have run out of time or you've just started thinking about it but you want to add some more things and come back to it. You can save it as a draft. Or if you click the orange button Post Entry, it will then come directly to me and I can look at it and give you some feedback. You'll notice here the criteria for journal entries. This one is specifically for the novel The Chrysalids, but I will use a similar format for marking journal entries for English language arts, for history, for social studies. Basically, I'm looking for the content, how you're connecting what you are saying to either the novel or the textbook material or the ideas of the course. I will give you some marks for your basic formatting. Are you using a good introduction, a middle that explains some things, and a conclusion to wrap your ideas up? And importantly, and notice in bold, are you using examples? Are you giving me specific examples from the novel or from the story or from the play or from the textbook that helps explain what you're thinking? And again, sort of tightening that connection to the course. And you also get some marks for basic conventions. Are you using good word choice? Are you capitalizing the things that need to be capitalized? Are you using correct punctuation? Is your spelling at least an attempt at decency? So out of the 10 marks for your journal entry, that is how I will arrive at your mark.